Is your Wi-Fi connected but the internet just won't load? It's frustrating and you are not alone. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, I will show you simple and grounded ways to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on Windows 10. Fast and easy. First, let's tweak your network settings a bit. Open your search bar and type V network connection. Then click on it. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. That's mean for getting internet, you may use Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now click on your Wi-Fi adapter and hit Properties. Now double click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server address. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. That's Google's super reliable DNS. Click on OK, then OK again. This alone fixes internet problems for a lot of people. But if you still have issues, don't worry. Go to the next step. Open the search bar again and type command prompt. Then click Run as Administrator. Inside the command prompt, you will need to type a few simple commands. I have put all the commands in the description or in the comment for you. Just type each command one by one. Hit enter after each. Once you are done, simply restart your PC and boom, your internet should be up and running smoothly.